national course that happens all across the country, and we are lucky enough to have one right here in Central Florida in partnership with the Central Florida ORF chapter.
Yeah, good job.
It really focuses on the whole child. It focuses on the 4 pillars of singing, saying, moving, and playing. Teachers come back over and over again because it brings so much joy to their students. They walk away with so many resources that they can implement in their classroom on day one, but it also builds a community for them within professional development where they are working with teachers from around the district, and then they have the opportunity to have that network of teachers that they can rely on in their tribe throughout the school year that they can lean on for support.
This training is unique because we get to be so creative through the whole process. It's not a sit down and talk at us for 8 hours sort of training. It is a we are the students, we are engaged, we are making and creating just the way that we will do in our classrooms. So when I leave here, I turn around and I know exactly what it was like to be a student, and I can do that for my students too.
It's given me a greater motivation now so that I'm excited to look at my lessons from a different way and to see how I can tweak them to make them better and to increase my instructional practices with my students.
We are able to do this course and make sure it is fully funded for our teachers through Title IV grant money. We believe that every student deserves the equal access to the highest quality music education that we can possibly have. And having opportunities like this for our teachers to grow as educators and as musicians is invaluable to them.